If you want to learn how to take these Hazy headlights and turn them into this, stay tuned. I like to do things myself, but some things I just don't have the tools or the know-how to do. When that time comes, I call my friend Russ at R&L Automotive. If you're in the Fort Wayne area and you need a good mechanic, give him a call and tell him Rattlecan sent you. 260-436-AUTO. It's 260-436-AUTO. When my son stopped by to show me his new 2000 and whatever Dodge Ram pickup truck, I said, oh heck no, we gotta clean those headlights. Okay guys, here's everything that you're gonna need to restore your headlights properly. Some 800, 1000, 1500, 2000 wet sandpaper. A sanding block, you can pick these up at AutoZone. They are so handy. If you've got flat headlights, you really need to use these. They're double-sided, they're flexible, but you're gonna have an even sanding on there. A bucket. I think we all got a bucket sitting around. Water. Hopefully you have water. And can of clear. It's a $5 can of clear coat, guys. You don't need to spend the big money. You don't have to have something fancy. This $5 can of clear coat will do the trick. That and a little bit of elbow grease, guys. That's all you need. So let's get going. We're going to start off with 800 grit. You can start off with 600 if you have some, but I didn't, so I started off with 800. Don't go in a circular motion. Always go side to side in a straight pattern. Back and forth, back and forth. Keeping your paper and your work area wet is very, very important. The higher the number goes on your sandpaper, the more clear your headlights will become. Each time you step up to a higher number on your sandpaper, you are making the scratches in the headlight much, much smaller. I ended the process with 2000 grit, but you can even move up to 3000 grit if you like. The higher the number, the more clear your headlights will be. When you're finished, dry the headlight very thoroughly to make sure that all of your moisture and all of your water are soaked up and your headlight is completely dry. This is very crucial for the final step. You will want to carefully mask off the areas adjacent to where you will be spraying your clear coat. This is very important so that you do not damage the paint or any other surfaces nearby. At this point, you're going to notice how hazy the headlight looks. Don't worry, this will change here in just a second. Here is where we make the magic happen. It doesn't take a lot, so make sure you don't overdo it. And that's it. Wait for that to dry, and you will be all set. Now you've got some headlights you can both see out of and be proud of.